Boop, 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 boop. People, welcome to another video. Because we are in the summer, I'm gonna turn a few things a bit different. Ice cream. Yep, ice cream, Biscoff ice cream. It was just released from Lotus Biscoff. Is one of the probably well-known spreads or biscuits, cookies, whatever you want to call it, around the world. And yeah, this is I think it is new, three flavors: dark, white, and milk. So it's, as you can see, free, and here they go: 3 milk, 2 white, and 1 dark. And yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna review them. Yeah, I'm gonna try to eat them all. There are 6. Let's see how it goes. I need to be quick because it's ice cream and it's really hot here in UK. So let's see. It should be okay because they are mini. Oh yeah, this is how they look like. So not that big. So let's start with the milk. So ice mini. What is the milk? This is dark. This is white. This is white. Oh, okay. I guess it. And last one. Yep. There you go. White. Dark will be the last one. Milk. Let's start with the. What is this? Let's start with milk first. There you see? Oh, poor guy. Yes, it's not that big, so I'm probably can eat this quite quickly. Let's jump into it. Ooh. The edges is what's called. It's Biscoff cream. Oh, it's good. This one, the milk, is normal. It's like it's normal Biscoff, so no dark chocolate, no white. I forgot the plate.
I'm so angry, I just want to break something like that plate conveniently placed there.
Damn it. Alright. It's pretty much Biscoff in ice cream. No waste over here. We don't waste any food. One down. This was the milk. And I have another milk.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
So, let's see how it goes. Each one contains I'm gonna leave on the screen because I have to make some maths. Yeah, we'll be around here. Okay, 2 milk down. They're going to the white chocolate. It's gonna be interesting. Oh wow. Look okay. You see the cream around? It's good. The score on the first one, the milk, I would say, because it's original. Like again, you cannot go wrong. Original is a good 8. So, yeah, 8. This white, it will be a 6. The reason being is because, for me, this is my opinion, for me, white chocolate is a bit too sweet compared to milk chocolate. There's more sugar on it. 3 down, 3 left to go. This is the last milk, and then we go to, and then again the second white, and and last the dark. I don't know why they only put 1 dark. Four down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last white. Let's do this. I will show you, but I'll show again. Ooh. Oh, I forgot to say. You can see outside, you have biscuit crumble. Really. Then, that last white, 5 down, the last one, the dark. The dark side.
I'm here to join the dark side.
Wait, a bit young for a stormtrooper recruit. Impressive.
Ooh. So it looks like. You see the biscuits? Let's see inside. Ooh. You see the cream? Makes a difference. We'll compare this one to the others. The thing is, I like the dark chocolate, but not on the ice cream. I also want to give this one a 6. For the reason, not enough sweet. White is too sweet. The dark, not enough sweet. And the milk is right on the point, right on point. So yeah, this is gonna be a 6. The dark is 6. The white is 6, and the milk is 8. Whew. That's it, guys. 6 mini Biscoffs. I hope you like this video. If there's any ice cream you think I should try, you know what you have to do. Comment below. Also, leave a like. I really appreciate your support. And again, subscribe to the button if you haven't already. That one over there. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna clean this up. This is the box looks like if you want to buy. Well, it's empty. Okay, guys, thanks again, and see you in the next episode. Cheers.